Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that if, elif and if else. Okay, total we have discussed that conditional statements and we have completed that conditional statement concept also. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about today concept is iterative statements. Okay, today concept is nothing but iterative statements. Okay, today concept is iterative statements. Iterative statements. Now observe here, iterative statements means already we have seen that for loop and while loop. Okay, next I will explain iterative statements after transfer statement because they are interlinked. Okay, first if I explain transfer statement, so I have a chance to explain a transfer statement. So first if I explain iterative statements, then I can explain it is possible and you will understand transfer statements easily and without any confusion. Okay, let me cover first iterative statements concept. Okay, now observe here. Now observe here, iterative statements means if you want to execute group of statements multiple times. Okay, if you want to execute group of statements multiple times, then we should go for looping concept. Okay, then we should go for looping concept or iterative statements. But Python provides already two iterative statements. They are nothing but one is for loop and second one is while loop. Okay, we will execute both and we will see the difference also. Okay, both he given what is the need. Okay, first let me go for loop. Okay, before going for loop, just I will write the definition first. What is iterative statements? The purpose of iterative statements, if we want to execute, if we want to execute, if we want to execute a group of statements. Okay, if you want to execute group of statements, if you want to execute group of statements multiple times. Okay, if you want to execute group of statements multiple times, then we should go for then we should go for then we should go for iterative statements. Okay, then we should go for iterative statements. Iterative statements. Python supports two types of iterative statements. Okay, Python supports two types of iterative statements. Python support supports two types of iterative statements. Two types of iterative statements. Python supports two types of iterative statements. One is a for and the second one is a while. Okay, one is for and the second one is while. Now observe here, first one is a for loop. Okay, first one is a for loop. So normally what is for loop means if we want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence. Okay, if we want to execute, okay, if we want to execute, if we want to execute some action, if you want to execute some action for every element, okay, for every element present in the sequence, okay, present in some sequence. Okay, if we want to execute some action for every element present in the sequence, then we should go for loop. Okay, then we should go for loop. Okay, then we should go for loop. Then we should go for loop. Okay, what is the purpose of for loop? If we want to execute some action, okay, if you want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence, okay, that sequence, example sequence sequence may be string or collection. Okay, string or collection. A string or collection. Now observe here syntax. Okay, what is syntax means? Syntax means for x in sequence. Okay, for x in sequence we have to print that x. Okay, we have to print that x. So finally, what is for loop means, if we want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence. Okay, if you want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence, then we should go for loop. Then we should go for loop. Okay, then we should go for loop. Then we should go for loop. Example, sequence may be a string or collection. Okay, sequence may be a string or collection. Now observe here syntax. Okay, syntax means for every in sequence printing x. Okay, now observe here, I want to write one program with respect to for loop. Okay, first program will be program to print program to characters, program to print characters present in the given string, present in the given string, program to print characters present in the given string. Now observe here, I want to print the characters present in the given string. Suppose now I'm taking, okay, whether okay, okay, first I'm taking one string. Okay, one string is equal to s is equal to Sai Kumar I'm taking. Okay, Sai Kumar I'm taking, Sai Kumar Chari. Now I'm printing the characters present in the string. Okay, I'm printing each and every character present in the string. Okay, how I'm printing? Observe carefully. For x, for x in s. Okay, I'm not doing anything, any magics. Just here the based on the syntax I'm writing. Okay, for x in sequence. Okay, for x in sequence means s. Okay, this is the string and this is the information what we want to print. Okay, for x in s, I'm printing print x. Okay, print x. Observe now, sir, you may get one doubt. Here you take an x, here you take an x. Okay, is it recommended to take x only, or you can take anything? So just for variable reference you can take anything. Okay, you can take anything, it need not be x. Just x I'm taking normally. Okay, if I want take here I also. Okay, there is no any issue. Just here I'm saying I means x means simply. Okay, instead of I a b c, any special, any character need not be special character. Okay, need not be special character, it is not good practice. Okay, take only the single characters. Okay, if you are dealing big applications, just give the name as the variable which you are creating for list or something another way. Okay, okay, so now this is clear, right? For I in s and print I. Okay, now in every line s one line, a one line, a I I one line, k one line, like that. In every line it's going to print one character. Now observe the output. Observe here, first s, next a, I, k, u, m, a, r, chari. Okay, so in that way we are printing the output. Okay, now what we are doing now, so first thing is completed. Program to print characters present in the given string. Suppose, okay, suppose I'm taking list. Okay, the same concept. I want to print. Okay, I want to print program to print words, program to print words present in the given list. Okay, program to print words. Okay, program to print words present in the given list. Okay, I will take some elements in the list. I will take some elements in the list first. What I am taking first? Here I am taking s is equal to 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 4, next 5. Okay, so don't compare your previous program with the present program. So in the previous program only one string is there, but here list is there. Okay, previous one is a string and this is the list. Okay, previous one is the string and this is the list. First it will print 1 in one line. Next after completing 2 will print in the second line. Okay, 3 will print in the third line. 4 will print in the fourth line. 5 will print in the fifth line. Now observe the output. Okay, now observe the output. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I'm not doing any magics, right? See, don't think that programs are very lengthy. Okay, in front of you, I'm writing the program. You will not feel programs are bit lengthy. Just you have to understand the requirement first. Okay, if the requirement injected into your brain, automatically you will start write coding. There is no any rocket science here. Okay, don't think that programming means it is very simple. First of all, you have to be confident with the concepts and basics. Okay, now observe. I'm printing program to print present what's present in the given list. Okay, program to print what's present in the given list. But when I'm printing only one, okay, when I'm printing one, I want to print in one each and every character also. Okay, so in order to do that we have to go for nested for loop concept. Okay, we have to go for nested for loop concept. Okay, so the requirement is program to print words along with each character. Okay, each character. Okay, program to print words along with each characters in the console in given list. Okay, in the given list. Okay, make sure it is answer, it is possible. Okay, it is possible. Okay, it is possible. See, in the next concept, first I will explain while loop concept. Next, I will explain nested for loop. Okay, there I will explain this program. Okay, if I explain, you may get some confusion. So that's why in this session, just I'm giving two programs. Okay, I'm giving two programs. Just observe carefully. Okay, it is possible by using nested for loop. Nested, nested for loop. It is possible by using nested for loop. Okay, so it is possible by using nested for loop. Okay, so thank you friends. If you are having any questions or queries, please reach out to me with my email ID on the description or post your query in the comment section. Okay, thank you friends. If you are watching for the channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.